Is this what you've been waiting for? Say 1, 2, and 4.
Hi again, I'm Gay Ben, a fan of shooters, wizard of computers, and a handsome man. Wasn't easy keeping busy, every season brings another reason not to make a game. I had it all but tried new things, true, it didn't get us very far. Between controllers and machines, you still picked a rusty old crowbar. Nobody sees beyond my charming self, but soul is never truly free. So just for once forget the summer sale and give it up for Half-Life, Alex.
The valve's been stuck, corroded by money, has not been oiled for years. We didn't even hope to see it running, but now you're bound to learn how to. But now you're bound to learn how to. This time you're bound to count to 3.
Well, here we are again, except we're long forgotten. My circuit's niggling up and down my spine. He said it's worth the wait, his weight keeps pressing harder, but Alex gave us hope we'll rise and shine. For soulless card games and hardware releases, the lights then turning green. Like if you learn and take them out the freezer, this time you're bound to learn how to. This time you're bound to learn how to. This time you're bound to count.
The numbers are intimidating, it's hard to give a fresh new start when everyone's anticipating another masterpiece of art. If this machine keeps playing dead, we may end up on the other side. So hold on to all your hats, let's show 'em a triple A done right.